Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to build a new micro brushless HD quadcopter using the Tomoquads Whoopee HD frame kit and the electronic parts of the Makefile Armor 85 HD. The Whoopee HD frame kit is available in 3 versions. You can get one which is compatible with the Mobile 7 and the KremerFPV Pro 2 frames, one which is compatible with the KremerFPV 75X frame, and the one I've got is the one which is compatible with the Rock & Heli propeller guards, which of course you will need to get separately. Inside the bag of the Whoopee HD kit, you can find the top and bottom carbon plates. The thickness of both is 1 mm, a bag with 3 spacers and screws to connect the bottom and the top plate, and a bag with 3D printed TPU parts for mounting the battery, FPV camera, and the antennas of the radio receiver. On the bottom plate you can find plenty of mounting holes, so on the center you can find both 16x16 and 20x20 mounting options, and on the sides you can find 4 holes, which will enable you to use the Racer Star Crazy Bee style all-in-one flight controllers. Now I'm going to transfer all the electronic parts of the Armor 85 HD to the Whoopee frame, and just for the record, the weight before the conversion is 73.4 grams, and it's going to be interesting to see what will be the total weight after the conversion. So now I'm going to assemble everything together, and I will see you in a bit in order to show you the results. Now the Whoopee HD is ready. The total weight after the upgrade is 69.7 grams, so it's only a few grams lighter than before, but the big question of course is how it's going to perform, and now I'm going to head outdoors and test it out. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you in the end of it in order to give you my conclusion. So overall, I can tell you that this quadcopter felt much better than the Armo 85 HD, and maybe it's also partly related to the fact that I used the Gemfan 1636 propellers. The biggest problem, however, is the Raccoon Heli propeller guards, and I highly advise you not to use these propeller guards if you're going to build this quadcopter, and that's because they get bent pretty easily, and once they get bent, it's going to be pretty hard to restore them to the original shape. In addition, on my last flight footage, where I had a very minor crash, and I also tried to flip the quadcopter using turtle mode without any success, I think that because the propeller guard was bent, this motor got burnt, or the AC still didn't figure it out. And anyway, these propeller guards are not recommended. The only good thing about them is that they look pretty good on the quadcopter, but I think that it's going to be much better to use the plastic ones instead of these ones. In terms of flight time, I could get close to 3 minutes using a GNB 3S 450 mAh LiPo battery, and I can estimate that if you are not going to push the throttle and fly it more like a Cinewhoop, you can get close to 5 minutes. In addition, if you plan to upgrade your Makerfire Armo 85 HD to this frame, I advise you to get a different VTX because the stock one didn't perform that well, and a good option would be the Unify Pro 32 Nano VTX. I hope you enjoyed this pretty short video. As always, if you have any questions about any of the parts that I used, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.